I'm standing in the heart of the home at 731 Old Cleveland Road East in Wellington Point. This property here on 612 prime square meters of land is your entry point into the Wellington Point marketplace. Proudly occupying 612 square meters, you have so much here to enjoy with all of this fantastic yard space, really private, a massive outdoor patio area, and also the option for potential site access, as well as your very own orange tree. Whether you are a first home buyer, a retiree, downsizer, or an investor, as you can see, everything here is done and ready for you to move straight in, or you can continue adding value if you so desire. On your doorstep, you have the fantastic Apex Park, Ormiston College, Horizon Shops, and everything else within a very short drive from this property. I cannot wait to welcome you at the next open home.